Good evening, dear students. I hope you are safe along with your family members. So, we have completed the poem. I hope you all must have gone through the poem and by-hearted the first 8 lines of the poem along with the meaning which I have already discussed. Today, first we will answer the following questions, the small questions. And tomorrow we will continue with the big questions and the reference to contest. So people, I'll give you the answers to A and C. And C, as you can see, we are having 5 sub parts. I won't give you B. Once the school will reopen, first I will explain you, then we will go with the answer. So first please note down the question A and then C, and then I will give you the answers of these questions. See, the first question A, in what way is the title of the poem a good one? In what way is the title of the poem a good one? Then please skip B. Come to question number C. Which words in the poem tell you about the following? 1. Times of the day. 2. Roads. 3. Motion and interaction. 4. Weather condition or geographical features. 5. Living creatures and plants. So, we will discuss today these 2 questions. Please note down in your copy. So, here is the first answer. The title is good one because it is reflected in every line of the poem, including the last line, in which the poem ends with another no word, November. November is in the autumn. November is in the autumn season, when summer has come to an end and winter is yet to come. The word no tells us that everything is not favorable or positive in this month. So students, the title as we know is no. So the very word no itself means nothing or negative. So here we have seen that whole through the poem, the poet begins every line with the word no. Even when the poem ends, it ends with another word which starts with no, that is November. So here the title is a good one, we can say, in this aspect. Let us come to answer number 3. See, the first one says about the times of day. So what are the words which says about times of day? Morn, noon, dawn, dusk, afternoon. Then the second one about roads. So words which say about roads are roads itself, then street, the other side the way, row, way, ring. Third one which says about motion or interaction, it says indication, recognitions, courtesies, showing, knowing, traveling, locomotion, inkling, go, notion, mail, post, news, cheerfulness, healthful ease, comfortable feel. Okay, the fourth one which says about weather condition is sun, moon, sky, earthly view, land, ocean, coast, park, warmth, shade, shine. Fifth one is about living creature, that is people, company, nobility, member, butterflies, bees, fruits, flowers, leaves, birds. So student, today up till here only Please note down the questions along with the answer, and tomorrow we will further continue with the difficult questions and reference to contest. So please keep on learning, students. And one more student has asked a very nice question. We have to write the handwriting even. So people, it is a very good thing. If you are writing a handwriting each day, it will definitely prove better. So please let me know who all have started to write the writing. And people, even I was thinking that every day we will learn a new word. So please let me know whether these ideas of writing a page daily and a word, new word every day will be fine with you all or not. Let me know who all agree to my view about this. Till then, continue learning. Be safe. Good night. God bless you all.